You think fucking Dirk Nowitzki's better than Larry Bird?
Can Larry Bird take that team to that Mavericks?
Fuck yes. Sure. He does everything Dirk does and play defense.
Larry Bird and JJ Barea?
Yes, nigga. What the fuck do you mean?
It's like, how? He's like a magician.
You never, went back there in the general mill of it and...
Whoa! Jesus.
You know what? Don't post that one.
Throw the whole thing away. He's definitely the main henchman to some villain in some movie.
Right.
Animated at that too.
He looks like you updated your firmware on Darius Miles.
Those ears though, he's definitely animated in blue or something.
He looks like what's his name? Rondo's younger but taller brother.
You know what he looks like? You seen in the Spider-Verse movie?
Yes.
Looks like Uncle Aaron.
Prowler?
Yeah, he looks like Prowler, except with hair.
It might be.
That is the best Spider-Man movie, by the way.
Into the Spider-Verse?
Yes.
Into the Spider-Verse.
Period.
It's not even close.
Thank you. I'm with it. We're gonna have an argument about Spider-Man 2 and what was the other one that I like? Homecoming at some point. But Spider-Verse is better than both. It's not really a discussion. No? No? Yes!
I never really thought about it. I really enjoyed Into the Spider-Verse.
I love that fucking movie.
But I really enjoyed Homecoming.
I do. But you have Homecoming better than Spider-Man 2.
Spider-Man 2 as in from the original trilogy?
Yeah.
Yes.
Another one on my side, absolutely. Homecoming is just fantastic. Spider-Verse to me is the best one. I know it's a little unfair because it's animated, I guess.
No, but I like that it had all the Spider-Men and women. So like it was a nice little like all encompassing.
There was no fat black women in anything.
Well, no, there was definitely at least one on the street as he was going to school in the first scene.
It doesn't
look it up. There definitely was. So
and that's when he walked out there.
It doesn't
Trash.
matter. It doesn't.
No, he can't. He arrived late on CPT.
It doesn't matter like where they're from. It's just like I don't like them. I don't like them if they're bigger.
I don't like if they're bigger.
What's that to do? You're not fucking.
So you do not evolve your Pokemon? You're over here walking around with mid evolution. You got a mass collection.
So my Wartortle's gonna stay cute.
Yeah, Charmeleons.
I've never once caught a Snorlax.
That's
fuck that.
Dude, if one accidentally ends up in your inventory, you trade it away immediately.
Immediately.
Matter of fact, you just release it. It's like, I don't even want the candy.
Yeah. Never playing with you. Too big to play with.
That's what she said.
How comfortable he is on that bike seat.
Wait, first of all, is he actually sitting?
I don't think he can.
Oh my god.
There's just no seat there, just the pole.
It's just a pole. But he's leaned up on it, like it's like
It's like the shower's too hot.
Yes, I feel like a really rough day of shits. He's Jesus.
You think they got a bidet in their house?
Yeah, they definitely do.
I'm sorry, wrong question. How many bidets do you think they have in the house?
Enough to make his finger sore.
There's one in the
yeah. He's got them facing different directions. Like
like a Bellagio fountain.
Yeah, and they're all
skating.
I was gonna say they're all turned on, but not at the same time. It's like
like Dwayne, it's been 3 hours. You can come out now. Sorry, I'm busy.
Sorry, I'm not clean yet, Gabby.
I'm not clean yet.
Why are we doing the gay voice? Why? Such a lowest like.
What?
With easy pickings.
Easy pickings. It's ridiculous. It can get us in more trouble than it's worth.
Yeah.
It's not worth the laugh.
Yeah. It's worth it if they're upset.
Which is his goal in life.
Yeah.
You're not winning unless their feelings are hurt.
Okay, so I have a question.
Mm-hmm.
And it has nothing to do with booty.
Oh.
It kind of does. It kind of does now that you.
No matter what, it definitely he'll be forcing a booty in there somewhere.
That's what she said.
So to speak. So, let's say Steph wins his championship, right?
Okay.
Let's say Steph's Finals MVP.
All right.
Mm-hmm.
And Durant doesn't come back.
Okay.
Okay, so Durantless.
That's 4 championships, which is already preposterous. That's 2 MVPs, and a Finals MVP. At that point, he's definitely the second best point guard ever. Where is he like all time?
Well, we have yet to see him in
second best point guard behind who?
Whoa,
Magic
what?
Johnson. What do you mean?
I gotta make sure.
What do you mean?
Gotta make sure.
Does somebody else shoot?
Well, my thing is, we have yet to see him on like a trash team. So like he could just be the benefit of a system. He could be like Tom Brady.
That's true. I give you that. But you don't have Tom Brady to go?
No.
Who's to go? The
That's
guy who
hard.
played with Jerry Rice?
No, I would say Manning.
Wow.
As a pure quarterback, because he had to do everything.
Wow.
I mean, of course. Well, let me not. You know, he had Adrian James and
Marvin Harrison,
and then later on.
You say Drew Brees has the same argument.
Except he has one less ring.
But I would say because Peyton Manning was the head coach. Great. Tony Dungy, he great coach, but Peyton Manning did what Peyton Manning wanted to do.
Great coach, but he didn't do anything.
No, Tony Dungy was a defensive-minded coach.
Fair enough.
So he ran the defense, Peyton ran the offense.
Yes.
Tony Dungy was a great coach for 54 men. But that 55th
I love that.
ran the show.
So
yeah, Peyton Manning over Tom Brady.
as a quarterback, yeah. 'Cause I was like, if you would put Peyton Manning on a Belichick system,
That's a fair point.
like champions, champ. You know, we don't even have to play this. We're playing for fun at this point.
I guess.
Cancel the rest of their games. They won. Fuck it.
All right, so who? Let's get the top 10 down first.
For NBA?
Before we start fucking adding names to the list.
Well, my knowledge kind of like stops at. When was the last time the Knicks were relevant?
73.
Jesus.
I'll give them 99.
Hey, would you stop?
Whatever that year
Would you
was.
stop?
Whatever that year
In
was.
the finals in '99.
That's what I'm saying. I give them 99. Like when they fucking
You give him now? How fucking
8 to the
great?
finals.
He's very generous. You are a very generous man.
Yes, I'll give you that finals appearance. Oh, okay.
Fucking-
Thanks for
they
that.
did
Yeah,
not.
her final
They
appearance.
should never have gotten. Fucking horseshit.
There's a dead lady on the TV, by the way. He said that's her final appearance. That's not okay.
I mean, you laughed at it. You're an enabler.
Jordan?
Okay. Are you saying this in order? Or just throwing 10 names out there?
Okay, Jordan is 1. Everybody else is not in order. LeBron, Magic, Kareem, Wilt, Bird, Kobe, Duncan, Shaq. I'm missing somebody. Bill Russell.
Okay, I was about to say that would be the last person I would say. So you say Tim Duncan because
I know the system.
yeah,
And it looks-
that's a hell of a system.
That's a fantastic system. You got 5 rings in it. But who am I guess I could put Hakeem ahead of Tim Duncan.
And it the
Jerry
reason
West.
why Olajuwon didn't have as many championships is because he played in the same era.
It's Michael Jordan.
Yeah,
To be fair, he didn't make the finals any time.
was he was hurt? I'm not hurt. I mean, he had heartbreak. He was missing his friends.
Aww.
Well, I mean, that's the same argument for fucking. I think it's a little underrating right now. John Stockton.
Oh, he played in the same.
Same area. You fucking.
First of all, how do you go fucking John Stockton before Karl Malone, number 1?
Call alone.
As far as fucking what?
They needed
John
each
Stockton
other,
was one of the best point guards ever.
but they
Some
needed
of
each
the top
other.
10 players.
Yeah.
They each get a 5
I-
at that point because they. I
I
mean,
think Stockton kind of edges.
Are you outside your fucking skull?
What?
You being serious?
Yeah.
I'm so over this. He's one of the greatest assisters of all time. Because Karl Malone can hit a fucking jump shot. Are you fucking serious?
How many points?
How hard is he's a great passer. How hard is it to bounce pass 5 feet away? For somebody to hit a jump shot.
right, but someone had to dribble up to that point.
And someone had to get him the ball in that spot.
They didn't though. That's the point.
Okay.
I like John Stockton. I don't. I like John Stockton, but stop. Over Karl Malone, who I don't think is as good as Charles Barkley, to be honest.
Actually, Barkley's pretty good.
Who didn't have a John Stockton, by the way.
Yeah.
I bring the ball to the court, I dunk it, and then I eat a donut. 'Cause I'm a fucking gangster.
Well, actually, that was his reward.
Yes.
He scores a point, he gets a donut.
And then I punch a fan or something.
Yes.
Then I'm gonna bet on this game.
Like, come on. You have John Stockton near the top 10?
Fairly. I
just did 10. Is he ahead of those 10?
No.
He's ahead of Hakeem Olajuwon? Or Jerry West? Or Oscar Robertson? Or Dr. J? Are you outside of your fucking mind?
So, what, that's another 4 plus Stockton, so what?
He's ahead of Dirk Nowitzki?
Top 16?
Oh yeah, alright, we're going further down this list. He's not going to be ahead of Kevin Durant. He's not going to be ahead of Dwayne Wade, who's got 3 fucking rings.
And they're still playing.
It's still playing. He's not going to be ahead of Steph Curry.
Who was the second one you said after Durant?
D Wade.
He retired.
Booty on. I'm not doing this with you.
Really?
I'm not doing this with you. Stop it. I'm not doing this with you, sir.
Right.
I'm not have somebody who played with Karl Malone. Stop it. Second best player in the league. Stop.
They needed each other.
Thank you. Stop it. Enough. I've had enough of you today. Jerry West.
I can't vote for or against Jerry West.
Oscar. Why not?
Before my era, I have no idea of Jerry
We
West.
don't have this. Is not an all-time list. This is a sometime list.
Yeah.
So, you just talk about overall. Like, what about like someone like a Steve Nash? I mean, granted, he wasn't the winner, but he had D'Antoni weighing him down.
I also think though Nash is partly system. He didn't really do that without D'Antoni.
That's a good point. And his team in Phoenix is fucking loaded.
Yeah.
Amari and Joe Johnson and Sean Marion back in 20 and 10.
All when Amari and Joe Johnson and Sean Marion could actually play.
And they didn't win shit.
Yeah.
That's why I gotta give Tim Duncan credit.
Although that's partly fucking their fault. Until you step on the fucking court.
Exactly. Like,
That was pretty fucking stupid. That's pretty fucking dumb. To be fair, they would be okay now because fucking Silver doesn't give a fuck about anything. But David's are not play that shit at all. At all. I'm gonna shave my beard. I've decided. That guy's beard just made me decide.
Really? Well,
I'm going back to the fucking. I'm going back to the
chin strap.
chin strap.
You want to rebrand?
Yes.
You gotta change your merch up.
Indeed. I've had enough of the beard.
Why?
I don't know.
I think you should go with a Van Dyke.
I don't know what that is. Is that
Basically-
something old timey? Because I've heard you bring this up before. And
What a bowler.
You essentially
Bowler
shave
hat.
the cheek, but you still have like the line part
Shave the cheek.
and the length. It's almost like a neck beard, except it still connects up.
Sounds kind of fruity.
No, it's just Frenchy.
That's what I said.
Van Dyke.
There was a fat chick in the background. I wanted to.
I don't even know why. Why did my attention go directly to her?
Because when she was coming, I was saying like she's thick as shit, and then just, like it just kept going. Like, oh.
Like reading that song wasn't playing in your head. Doom, doom, doom.
Do you have a 10 of your sometime list? Of your post 1980s list?
Did he?
It is up there.
It's up there.
I'm not sure why I still ask him about his list after that Diddy shit.
Biggie's honorable mention, but he's not in my top 5. I've actually enjoyed more of the people that's collaborated on his songs than I have him. I enjoy Diddy's verses more when it's on his stuff. I enjoy...
Cut! Don't need to hear the rest of the list. That's about English. We got Diddy and John Stockton now. I'm fucking over it.
You know what? The name of the episode.
Diddy
and Stockton.
Let's give it the definites right now.
Jordan's 1.
Okay.
Right? And fuck you, all of you that think otherwise. Think.
He's like, hey, you have an opinion, but it's wrong.
think being the operative word. Jordan, Kobe, LeBron, I think, is obviously right. They
10 to 10.
redefined basketball almost.
Kobe didn't. They defined what was already there.
He's like,
Brought greater definition to
I
it.
would do what that guy does.
He mixed a great record.
Yes. It made it a slightly less.
Kind of like.
Stop it. Stop it.
No,
Kobe
he
said,
can't
take that,
stop.
take that.
He won't stop.
At all.
Take that.
We can't stop.
Take that. Case. No, that's this guy.
That's hilarious. That's hilarious.
Oh. So yeah.
Jordan, Kobe, LeBron.
Jordan, Kobe, LeBron,
Is that in
Shaq.
order? Okay. Is that in order?
You know what? Yes. LeBron is 3rd.
Kobe 2nd? Oh, just these four so far.
Of those three.
Okay. Jordan, Kobe, LeBron, Shaq.
Shaq. Fucking really falls off a cliff after that.
Oh, there's Magic Johnson.
Yeah, right. Magic.
Kareem Abdul-Jabbar.
Kareem, Oscar. How many is that now?
7.
Okay.
There's Larry Bird. He's
Yeah.
white. That's always a bonus in your book.
Usually.
As John Stockton
Whoa.
gets a tremendous bump.
Changing of the guard there?
What?
You're not going to choose the
The Caucasian guy?
the Ivory
Well,
King?
Yes!
For the same reason, I'm not going to include Bill Russell. How loaded were those teams?
Well, not more loaded than Magic's. Or Kareem, who are together.
They played.
You got one guy who can play all positions and the other guy who can't stop from a one-handed shot.
I mean, Magic is outerworldly, and Kareem is just a fucking alien. So
Almost literally, quite frankly.
so it's not really quite the same. Boston, you had like a lot of swell basketball players.
I love
But what,
basketball.
that's fitting.
That's a lot of swell.
A lot of swell basketball players.
Fucking, they had like Sam Parrish at one point, and they also had like
Robert Parrish,
Parrish.
Kevin McHale. They had Bill Walton at some point come off the fucking bench. A former MVP come off the fucking bench.
Yeah, it was just like 1 through 13 deep.
But those we talk about the players that we can see if they were by themselves, they would do damage.
Yeah.
That's a good point. To be fair, Magic brought a team to the finals without Kareem.
Magic was a team.
What position you play? Yes.
All the ones you let me, just don't talk bad about me.
That's all. Otherwise, I'll quit.
How many is that now?
I don't know if we're including Bird.
We're not.
Wow.
Not top 10.
Almost. Wow. That almost mixed up with John Stockton.
It's just a swap.
Jordan, Kobe, LeBron, Shaq, Oscar, Russell, Magic, and Kareem. That's 8. Wilt.
Before my time, I couldn't judge him properly.
Okay, this is not an all-time list.
I said a sometime list.
Fair enough. Fair enough.
Really, like 80s Isaiah?
Over Larry Bird?
It's just really Isaiah, and then to a much lesser extent, Joe Dumars.
Joe Dumars? Fucking bunch of fucking gangsters, literally.
I think it's a little early to say Durant yet.
I don't know. We're really gonna keep Bird off the list? Are you just doing this out of spite at the moment?
No,
I said not put Bird on the
I
list.
don't have Bird on my list. I don't even know what my 10 is. I know Bird's not on it.
That's shocking. You have Isaiah and Kevin Durant over Larry Bird.
Wait,
I said,
you're 10?
I said it was too early to call Durant on that list. Durant would be what, 9?
No, 10 because you have Isaiah on the list. You putting Durant ahead of Isaiah?
Yes.
What about fucking Larry Bird? This is shocking.
Isaiah might be 11. I forgot the most important one on the list.
Who?
Dirk Nowitzki.
Stop it.
You know, he had to get one of them.
He did that.
He had to get one of
He's
those.
doing it out of spite. Stop it.
The greatest European player of all time.
Stop it.
Of all time.
You think Dirk Nowitzki is better than Larry fucking Bird?
Did Larry Bird play in Europe?
No, you say he's 10. That means he's in the top 10. What Larry Bird is not. You think fucking Dirk Nowitzki is better than Larry Bird?
Can Larry Bird take that team to that Mavericks?
Fuck yes.
Sure.
He does everything Dirk does and play defense.
Larry Bird and JJ Barea?
Yes, nigga. What the fuck do you mean?
Alright.
First of all, Larry Bird averaged more rebounds.
Mhm.
Larry Bird is a much better passer. Larry Bird's a top 10 passer of all time. Larry Bird played fucking defense and Larry Bird can shoot. What the fuck are you talking about? What does Dirk do better than Larry Bird?
Be European.
Be European? Stop it. I'm not doing any more of these lists with you. I'm done with these lists. We got Diddy and Dirk over Larry Bird, John Stockton. I'm done with these fucking lists. No more talking.
Like arbitrarily put Diddy on his top.
Right, just random horseshit. Enough. I've had enough.
Diddy is good.